other side, Daniel.
All right, guys, you got it. Careful for the back. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful.
Good.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful.
Very nice boat. Pretty stable. Need a paddle fast.
Yeah. Might be out there.
What's that?
Might be standing up here.
For a few more seconds. We'll have to let the next boat in. You can just slide over right over there, though. I sure hope not. Well, you should. Wait. No, Eric, you should be on this side. Come first one. That's the only thing we have going for us.
See that one on the right there? Yeah, that one's mine. Yeah, right there. That's the guy I got in the view. Look at them go. They're winning.
I was freaking out when I saw the first people shout.
No, I just got to see this boat. I mean, just look at that. I have no idea how that's going to work.
Come on, guys.
Eric, you need, or Nathan, you need to get over there to help steady it.
2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Hey, give him.
Yeah. So boats numbers 15 and 16 need to help out. We want to win that big prize. Turn away. That's not
Hold it.
Perfect.
Hold it right there. Don't move.
Alright, just a second on the end there. Oh my goodness.
Alright, you made it farther than you thought you would.
Look at them, there they go. They're about to win. Oh, look at that beautiful win. Oh, sinking.
Okay, boat 16, let's see what we can do without getting you out.
That right there is a 100%.
I don't think so.
Come on, man.
Nice and slow.
Oh, just look at that beautifulness. Score-tastic. Woo! Sorry for my bad video cameraing. I'm pretty bad at videoing. That's okay. Now you get to see this one. See that? Did you see that? Yeah. That one way out there? Yeah. I'm surprised about this one here.
Hey guys, they're close. That's supposed to be great.
Yeah. There's no way it's staying up. The person in the front's gonna paddle and the water's gonna go right in the back.
It works so far.
I bet this one will like break apart.
Yeah, the torque when it's turning is just gonna snap it if it doesn't just sink as it is.
Alright guys. Slow and steady wins the race. Come on.
Yeah, Mac.
I'll get time about. No. Not good.
It's like camping outside.
머리 안 해. 괜찮은데? 가라앉는다.
Okay, it looks like some boats are coming fast enough to
Sinking.
completely lap their competitors from the previous race. So we have a rowboat and a canoe helping these folks out of the water. So, yes, swim for sure. We'll get that cardboard. You did a fine job.
와, 이거 되게 머리 잘 썼다.
Okay, folks.